Bigyan mo ng malaki. Full power, yes! Okay guys, dito naman tayo kay Speed Winner. Start up tayo dito ng 400k. Feature buy tayo ng 25,000.
Let's go! Woo!
Yes! 2, 4, 5. Dagdagan mo pa dyan isa. Mother, father. Shit, you going down, down, what you gonna say? Times 5. 10, yes! Gasolina sana. Oh. Malaking multiplier na yan, 14. Bigyan mo ng malaki. Full power, yes! Ano yan? 25,000.
Ang galing mo talaga, bright ka.
Bawi na yung pinambili, may paldo na. Last one! Ito, Chris, diba? Pinakain ng laking multiplier. Alright, meron naman 33,375.
Ang galing mo,